If you've ever wondered about using an Alaskan chainsaw, this is my first time trying it, so we're gonna see what I can do. All right, I just filmed a whole thing about the cabin and an update in the snow and realized I never pressed record. I was just holding it, looking at myself. So here is the update. Really not an update, it's the same, but we now have some snow. I've been really busy with work, so I haven't been out here in about 2 weeks. CJ also left for a skiing trip with some friends. So we took a break on it, but probably getting back to it this weekend, moving some more stuff. But I got something cool that I want to show you. Check this out. Just got it in the mail. So I ordered an Alaskan chainsaw mill. Got it in the mail over the last week or so, but they sent me the wrong. I had to get a ripping chain and a new bar. They sent me the wrong bar and chain, so finally got that in yesterday. So these deals basically just go on top of a log like that, which gives me a flat surface along these, and I can hook a bunch of them together. Then I can run the saw down them and turn this thing into some boards. So I only have a 20-inch bar, so I only have, it looks like about maybe 15 inches, maybe less, 14 or so inches to work with there. So I've got from this one to this bar right there is how much room I've got. And then this thing, you can adjust how thick of a board you want by moving that up. So I'm gonna mess with it and see what I can do. I've never used one of these. That tree is pretty long. I'll probably cut it down to, yeah, we're definitely not doing boards that whole length, but I'll see what we can do. I got helpers coming.
What?
Sincere!
Hello.
Hello, baby.
It's cold. I'm trying to go around.
What do you got?
Well, your hands are going to be cold. What? Your hands are going to be cold.
I tried. If you've ever wondered about using an Alaskan chainsaw, this is my first time trying it. So we're gonna see what I can do. I just tried to cut a piece that's way too large for this size of a saw. So we're gonna go smaller and put this back together like it's supposed to be. All that, and I've got the chain on backwards. I gotta take the whole thing off. First tip, working with an Alaskan chainsaw. Make sure that you put your chain on the correct way. Doesn't do very well cutting backwards. There we go. All right, let's try again. out how this is cutting it. Look at all these wavy lines. It felt like it was kind of smooth going through it. That's weird. All right, so I'm still getting the hang of this thing, but I think it worked out pretty good for my first log. So yeah, I gotta figure this out. So if you got any tips on using an Alaskan chainsaw mill, let me know. I got 2 good boards that are 2 inches thick that I can use for something. I mean, that looks like a good bench or something, and it's already roughed up. Also, why is it running all rippled? Anybody got any tips on that? It's a brand new chain, brand new Alaskan chainsaw, or Alaskan mill. New bar on it. So there's a new bar, new chain. Does the chain just need to be sharpened? I just sharpened all my regular chains. So that is a ripping chain on it, and it's brand new. So I figured it would do it smoothly, but it got all these ripples, which I kind of like, but I don't think that's normal. Can't be normal. That's it for today. I just wanted to try out this chainsaw mill, see what it did. I'm going to put this thing away and go back inside where it's warm. It's about, if you're wondering, it's about 15 degrees. We finally got snow. Hopefully it's gonna stay cold because we've been getting snow, and then it'll get up into the 40s and it all melts. So this, I'm hoping, is gonna stay the rest of the winter. We will see.